Ay, boyfriend ni amang ni abot. Huwag na lingkod sa. Lingkod. Sit down. Asa? Ha? No reason for smiling? No reason for smiling, sinabi ng German, because German is still waiting her friends Britney Spears is very long we waited from Tagbilaran. The German said is feel bored and tired because Britney is not coming. 4 hours waiting here in my house. But Britney is nothing. Why?
I stay away 10 minutes, then I go.
Okay, just relax and sit back and.
Wait for 2 hours.
Oh my God.
Not so loud.
That's Britney. My. Asa ba ito? There are lots of ban, but Britney is not stopped. Why? The foreigner is waiting, feel bored and tired. 4 hours waiting Britney, but Britney is nothing to do. Yeah, nakita na doon silang Britney. Abot na doon si Britney. Makita na silang apam. Mo si Britney iyang apam. Oo. Congratulations Britney. Nanadyo kay apam. Ganda-ganda ni Britney, oh. More siya lucky, no? Wow. Wow, nasi. Oh, siya nasi. Nasi. Abas ising. Wow, Britney. Wow, Britney. Hi, Britney.
No, it's already. Yeah, we.
Adat mi kom English for Britney. Abasing. Nataan di kag dad. Ignasid so. Ipauban na siya. You can go the house of Britney there.
Yeah, you have to the.
Ah.
There already yesterday.
Oh. Hello, hi, magka Britney, oy. Nakita na doon si Britney. Dinosaur. Wow, nag-abas. Abas Juyot. Bitaw na kanang oh. Wow! Yeah. Wow! Ayan, Britney, eh. Nakaapa na si Britney sa wakas. Bye-bye. Pagkalay. Wow! Nasi Britney. Bye, ayan, Britney, eh. Sikat na Britney.